Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Eclipse Attitude 35 GSG plus 3. So it's going to give us 3 more feet of cargo space. Let's walk around this unit and I'll show you the details. Double slide on the curbside. We got battery disconnect switch area here with our auto leveling system controls. Exterior basement here. Outside shower, controls here to dump the tanks, and water hookups come up through the floor here. We can close the door. This one has the 1800 watt inverter. 10-gallon hot water heater standard now, so is the 210 watt solar system. Triple axle, lots of windows. The GSG is going to have the high gloss gel coat walls, fueling station, pump station, and then our gauge and switch for our pump right there. Roof ladder to get up access to the roof for maintenance. The optional spotlights on the roadside. Rear spotlights out the back end. 8-foot patio deck. Auto leveling system. Zerk fittings on all the suspension there with the big Gladiator 16-inch wheel and tire and the Attitude center caps made specifically for Attitude. Lots of patio side windows with the double awning system, both power with LED light strips, as well as having the real nice bright patio side spotlights. Exterior television area here with the sound bar. Keyless entry. 3-step system, large assist handle. Control panel right here at the doorway. So as you can see, we can turn on our lights. We got plenty of switches here. We check our gauges, outside lighting, inside lighting, water heater, slide outs and awning controls there. Little storage compartment here. Under lid lights there, that lights up underneath as well as above. Nice big bank of cabinetry. 2 swivel rocker chairs with the table. Again, the nice big patio windows. This is going to have the opposing dinette. Storage box in the floor. As you can see down in the floor there, the metal door opens up and that can be storage for tie downs or whatnot under floor. It's going to have the more ride ramp patio fencing. The double tables for the dinette area. The 1-piece pull down screen wall. The second great big large living room TV here in the living room. The fold out couch that folds up for added storage space when the slide's in, as well as makes down into a single bed with the armrests. Lots of windows, more cabinetry above, lots of lighting. Got the backlit LED counter lights. Fireplace in the living room, plenty of tie downs, vacuum bonded floor so it's very strong and durable. Upgraded kicker system for the stereo. Large sink, I call it the basin sink, 1-piece stainless. Residential faucet. We got this one's going to have our stainless package, so we got the upgraded stainless package on the microwave. The oven fronts, 3-burner cooktop, and the stainless fronts on the refrigerator. As well as when we come around into the kitchen area, we got lots of drawers here, 3 drawers here and under sink storage there. As well as having the great big Jensen TV here that's on a pull-out that will swing as well. Cabinetry, stereo player, plays our DVDs, AM, FM, Bluetooth, all controls there. More cabinet space above and below, on the sides, all around. Very accessible to get to. Fuse panel and breakers right there, easy to access. Down below as well. And we go upstairs here. This is going to have the central vac system. So we have the tools so we can vacuum the whole trailer forward or backwards. We go upstairs here. This is going to have the 210 solar panel. Slide rooms for the bedrooms here on the wall. Control panels here. Walking through the bathroom, that's a pass-through bathroom. It's going to give us a nice glass shower enclosure, porcelain toilet, lots of cabinet space in the bathroom for linens. Walking in through into the bedroom. King size bed. Plenty of storage through here with the other bank of closets there. More storage underneath there with shelving. Keep things from shifting around. Stay in place a lot better that way there. Another mirror with storage behind. And then this bedroom, again in the 35 GSG, is going to have opposing slides in the bedroom. So the bed slides out, and so does the vanity area with the fireplace. Nice big bright windows to give us plenty of lighting throughout. Second air conditioning. So we're going to have the big 5,500 watt gen like I said earlier. So lots of storage space throughout for cargo and storage and the whole family. Great toy hauler. Guarantee has sold this Eclipse product for about 10 years now, and very proud to have the product. If you have any questions on any of our Eclipse inventory, make sure you call me direct at 541-979-1770. Be happy to help and talk to you about the inventory we have in stock or what I can get you if you want to order your own. Feel free to call me. Don't forget, ask for Clay Thompson. Thank you. Have a great day.